Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube uthi sekuphothulwe umsebenzi omningi wokuqeda ngezindlu zangasese zomgodi ezikoleni zakuleli.
I'm here to announce today that the final tally of where we are as we finish the end of the financial year is that 96% of all safe schools have been eradicated to date.
Nakuba umsebenzi omningi usuphothuliwe, kepha uGwarube uthi kudingeka kwenziwe olunye ucwaningo ngengqalasizinda yezikole.
We know that it's not just the 3,300 schools that were identified in 2018 that still have inappropriate structures. There are many others, and that's why I'm saying while we're working hard to clear this backlog, we must institute another audit. We must rake every community, every village, every township in our country to find inappropriate structures and eradicate them.
uGwarube uthi ukubambezeleka kwezinye izifundazwe kwenze behluleka ukuhlangabezana nomnqamlajuqu abazibekele wona umhla ka-31 kuNdasa kulonyaka wokuqeda nya ngezindlu zangasese zomgodi esikoleni.
Our goal is very clear. We want to eradicate 100% of the identified backlog that was identified in 2018. We came very close to the end of the 31st of March, but we were 4% short. However, I am comforted by the fact that of the 141 projects that are still outstanding across the country, 90 of them are already under construction and that they will be complete in April, May, and June of this year.
Izikole ezibhekene nalenselele yezindlu zangasese zomgodi zisezindaweni zasemakhaya ezibhekene nokugqoza kwentuthuko.